Hi, welcome to the Blind Tiger Farm. Today I'm here to talk about wood chippers. I actually talked about this a little while back, but somehow I deleted the video. But anyway, this is what most people think of when they think of a wood chipper. A BC 1000 XL from Vermeer. Kind of like the Cadillac. It's 3.3 Cummins diesel. Now if you look at your Home Depot, you see something like this. This is a Boss Industrial. Home Depot had this advertised as a 15 horsepower. In the literature, the description of the product, it said it was a 14 horsepower, but when it arrived at my house, it was a 13.5 horsepower. I called Home Depot and I called the manufacturer, and they were both stand-up people. Home Depot rebated me like $200 on the purchase price, and the company, Boss Industrial, guy talked to me on the phone, explained that he wanted to use a Chinese engine, but it didn't make the power that the Chinese promised. So they put this in. So they put this engine in instead of the Chinese engine. I need to add that Boss Industrial also sent me some extra belts and cutting wheels for the wood chipper. As for the wood chippers, I call this one Eastern, and that's a nod to the investigative powers of the Connecticut State Police, who found a guilty party in 1989. The other one I call Fargo, and that's a nod to the Coen brothers. You got to hand feed the other one.